George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Skund primar ma Joyland special Kisumu yudo sir mag chiemo kod gige somo mohewo siling 450K kowuok kuom kambi mar Kenya Post Authority. Giyango ni ma en achiel kuom yo mar duoko lwedo ne jopiny mosebedo ka sirogi tielo ma gichako ga godo motelo ne tuke mag golf ma gibago ga higa ka higa e chak dwe mar Ang'wen pacho ka. Jatend skund no puoyo sir ma kamano kama okwayo mondo giyud sir mar bero gedo mar skund no masani okone okethore mokalo. Wach mano sir kod jokanye bad migawo mar somo boma ma Kisumu.
Came and made donation to Joyland Special School worth 450,000 shillings, comprised of beddings, food stuff. This is part of the initiative we make when we have golf-sponsored tournament to come and appreciate our customers in the region. As a rider to that, we also come and identify special cases like this school. And the CSI, we focus on education and mostly health. So it's an annual thing, yes.
These are learners with special needs. They require a balanced diet, and because we have had challenges in this area, they have helped a very big deal.
On behalf of the County Director of Education Kisumu, and therefore the Government of Kenya, to say a big thank you to Kenya Post Authority for reaching out to the vulnerable, the child who is always left behind. And we want to call upon you. You have seen the school. The school is in need of infrastructure. So we want to call upon you to continue with a good heart. And our doors will be open all the time.
Manakaka na wasingo waduke liponi kama jao